Day before yesterday night, I was in marriage function. I log in from the mobile. Just thought that 5 minutes only. Asked my family members, just wait there. I will come back, or otherwise just wait for photo sake. Wait there, I will come back like. Just at 10 o'clock I log in. Why? I thought that 5 minutes I'm going to complete. Very unfortunate. 10:45 I stopped. Just in the mobile Zoom session also. 10:45 I stopped the session. Once we started, the starting only in your control. Ending may not be in your control most of the times. If you want, you can cross check. But
Yes, sir.
to continuity purpose, better to keep at least 2 minutes action or at least 1 minute action. Just for that. Why I'm taking? Just to start. It is impossible to fail. It is impossible to fail that activity. For that, this smallest thing is going to be helpful. Sir, every day I'm going to save 1 rupee. Array, start saving at least 1 rupee. Start saving at least 1 rupee in your life. You will become rich. You can earn crores of money, like I told. One student asked her. Every day 1 rupee you are going to save. Per year 365 rupees only. If I will do for the next 30 or 40 years, hardly 15,000, 20,000 only will come. Where is the question of earning 1 crores of money? Simple answer is start saving first. Automatically you are going to see the magic. Getting right? Raju, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Srikant.
Srikant.
So, that is the starting point. That is, we are tuning our body towards that action with this 1 minute rule or with this 2 minutes rule. Start small. Automatically, you will get momentum. Obviously, you are going to do that. Okay. I told only 5 minutes action only. AI with Durga Sir in 5 minutes. That is our caption. But how many times I stopped in 5 minutes? Very rare. Very rare. Very rare. But what will happen is, how it is going to be helpful is, array, I'm full busy somewhere. I went to Maheshwaram, some function sake. I was there in the function. But my promise is at least 5 minutes is there. That's why just I will open the mobile Zoom call. Array, today I'm outside. Just for consistency sake, I'm connecting this session like 5 minutes of what we covered yesterday and what I'm going to cover tomorrow, or what important things. Just in 5 minutes, I will complete and then I will stop the session. How that 5 minutes is going to be helpful to take minimum time, not maximum time.